Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just gonna be a little get ready with me for, the quarantine type of look, just to go downstairs and then, casually looking glam for your living room. Also, I did my hair, I curled my hair. If you guys want to know how I curl my hair, I will leave the link in the description box below. So without further ado, please keep on watching.
With a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. don't need no rent for it. Shivers down my spine.